In this video, we will learn how to make use of the IRR function of the Texas calculators. Now, IRR is typically the rate of return that you earn on your investment, or the technical definition, the rate at which present value of inflows and present value of outflows is same, which makes your NPV 0. Now, I have an example on my screen. We have an investment here where we've invested 250, and then for each of the next 3 years, we're receiving 100, 150 and 200. Now with these stream of cash flows, we would like to know how much are we really earning on this investment, and that answer to that question would be given to us by IRR. So here is how we do it. First, we are going to press the cash flow button. So I'm pressing it. Then we are going to press second and clear work to delete in case if there was anything that was saved in this function previously. So second and clear work. Then what I have on my screen now is cash flow 0. So in cash flow 0, we will have to enter 250. So observe carefully. I'm pressing 250. But to make it negative, I'm going to make use of the plus minus button here. So that becomes 250 negative, and then I'm going to hit the enter button. So enter. So that's how 250 negative is being entered in my calculator. Then when you press downward arrow, it shows you 100. So I'm going to press 100, enter. Downward arrow again, now this shows you frequency of 1. Observe none of the cash flows are being repeated. So by default, we will let that remain. Frequency is 1 as it is. Then press downward arrow, it shows you cash flow 2, 150, enter. Downward arrow couple of times, it shows you cash flow 3, 200, enter. Once you have entered all of your cash flows, then press the IRR button. So I'm pressing the IRR button here. Right now it's showing my IRR to be 0. And then I press compute, and we get answer as 31.69.